Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix camera scan QR code on Realme Narzo Power. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, click on app management. Click on camera app. After click on camera app, if you want to fix this problem, so click on force stop. Again click on force stop, you will see your problem is solved. After the process, go back to home screen, you will check your problem is solved. But if it not solved, open quick settings panel, so just swipe down and you will see QR code is here. So turn on QR scanner code. So turn off QR scanner code. So turn on or turn off QR scanner code. Go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, again click on settings app. Scroll down and click on apps and click on app management. Scroll down and click on camera app and click on storage usage and click on clear cache. After clear cache camera app, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, click on settings app, scroll down and click on system and update. Click on software update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not, let us update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix cameras, scan QR code on Realme Narzo Power. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.